The Dogger Bank Wind Farm, a £6.1 billion economic boost for the UK. The Dogger Bank Wind Farm, set to be the world's largest offshore wind farm, is set to make a substantial impact on the UK economy. An economic report commissioned by the project's developers estimates that this ambitious venture could inject a staggering £6.1 billion into the UK economy over its 45-year lifespan. But here's where it gets interesting. The report also highlights the regional benefits, particularly for the North East and the counties of North Yorkshire and East Riding of Yorkshire. This massive wind farm, located off the coast of northeast England, will consist of 277 turbines when fully operational in 2027. It's a colossal project with a massive potential impact. The report predicts that the North East and its neighbouring counties will directly benefit from approximately £2.4 billion in gross value over the project's lifetime. This is a significant figure, showcasing the potential for economic growth and development in these regions. Energy Minister Shanks expressed enthusiasm, stating that the wind farm will not only generate billions for the UK, but also create thousands of high-quality jobs. Dogger Bank, situated between 81 and 124 miles from the UK coast, is expected to produce a substantial 3.6 gigawatts of power, enough to supply energy to 6 million homes. This is a massive contribution to the UK's energy needs. The onshore infrastructure for the wind farm is strategically located in South Shields, Tyne and Wear, as well as near Redcar, Teesside, and Beverley in the East Riding of Yorkshire. This strategic placement not only facilitates efficient energy generation, but also supports local communities by providing jobs and economic opportunities. The report, prepared by economic consultants BVG Associates, reveals that the wind farm will, on average, support around 1,400 maintenance and operation jobs annually throughout its lifetime. Of these, approximately 615 full-time equivalent jobs are expected to be based in the North East. These roles include vessel crews, engineers, and wind turbine technicians, all of whom will play a crucial part in the wind farm's operation and maintenance. The project's peak job support is projected to reach about 3,600 direct and indirect full-time equivalent roles in 2025, primarily due to the intensive construction phase in the final stages of the project. This highlights the significant contribution the wind farm will make to the UK's workforce and economy. Project Director Olly Cass emphasised the project's potential, stating, "This report proves we have the skills, expertise, and desire in the UK to fuel the energy transition and create economic value that's far-reaching." The Dogger Bank Wind Farm is a testament to the UK's commitment to renewable energy and its ability to drive economic growth in innovative and sustainable ways.